channel. My name is Sonja and you're watching Domestic Diva. Today I wanted to share with you, I do these videos about 4 times a year and I share with you what's in my purse. Typically things that are in my purse are quite similar. I change out my purse, but I don't change out too much the content that's in it. However, things are a little bit different, so I have few things that are different in my purse this time around. So the purse that I'm switching out of is my Michael Kors, and I am switching it into the Louis Vuitton Neverfull monogram print. And this purse can hold quite a bit of stuff. Even though I have a lot of stuff, I don't necessarily need all of it, I would say. I'm not going out as much. I do go out maybe twice a month to stock up on groceries. And then I have had a couple appointments with my puppy for vet appointments because he's still young. Now those are done curbside pickup, I should say, because they come out, you phone them when you get there and they come out, take your dog. You don't actually go in and then they bring him out. If you need any medication, they have a box that they leave it out for you. So, but they have to be done because he's so young. So I'm going to get started and show you things that are typically in my purse all the time. So I have my, this thing is not necessary at this time, but I just keep it anyways, just out of habit, if I can actually open it. Okay, this is my charging extra charger. There's a charger for the charger and then the two cables. Then I have my feminine products in here. My planner, this is my to-go planner. It's stuff that I take with me. I keep my grocery lists, appointments, anything on the go. If I need to measure stuff out, I keep it in there. It's all like it is my travel planner type of thing. Anything that I need on the go is in there. And then I also keep a measuring tape with me all the time, and then I have a little pouch. I have 2 sets of headphones and a little converting cable in here for my iPhone. Then I have my wallet. I'm still just keeping my Coach wallet. I didn't want to switch it out. My sunglasses, I have my Oakleys in here, and a little cloth, and the little sunglass holder is Vera Bradley. And then in here, I just wanted to show you, actually I had kept these to show you. So this is I've always talked about it, the best lip care product out there. It's by Fresh, and it's the Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. I have this in drawers downstairs, I have them upstairs, and I had one in my little pouch, and then I had this one because this is my second favorite in there as well. I have taken these out because I do not want to be sticking my fingers and putting lip balm on, so I had just switched them for some lip smackers that I had around the house, and then just the SPF sun balm just because the weather is changing. And then in here, the typical stuff is in here. There's floss, there's a little mirror, some extra meds. I do have a nail clipper, which I can probably take out because I keep the nail clipper in here for my son because he plays water polo, and if we go on tournaments and stuff like that, he has to make sure that his toenails and his fingernails are completely clipped. And so I have this as an emergency in case if he has forgotten to do that. He should have one in his water polo bag as well, but you know, boys, men, sometimes they just don't. And then I have a hand cream, which has become essential from all the washing and antibacterial sanitizing stuff that I put on my hand. Then I have deodorant, and this is just in case, you never know. Couple extra hair ties and a nail file. And then I also have this hand sanitizers. These are my usual hand sanitizers that I typically have in my purse because I'm not a germaphobe, but this is not, I feel like this is not sufficient at this time, so I just have this one as a backup. I have added this one, which is this is just a Disney bottle and a Disney little holder, but I refill it with the actual, like, what is it, where the Purell sanitizer in here, and I keep this one just outside of my purse, like clipped. I will clip it here, so that way it is the first thing that I access in my purse before I have to clean my before I do anything else. So that has changed what's in my purse. Also, I have a pouch of wet wipes just to clean. These aren't antibacterial, but they're enough to clean surfaces in a pinch if I need, or my hands. And then in here, I keep this in a Ziploc bag because it's easy to wipe down and I can just toss it if I need to. So I have a pouch and I replace these. Now I have put in an order for washable face masks because I feel like we've gone through so many of these. And the Norwex has come up with their reusable face masks that you can just wash. So I had put in an order for those. We'll see when they come. And then, so I have a pouch of eye mask in here, and then I can just, that way it just stays clean and separate from everything else. And then I have, these are the Eco Glove company. They had sent me these a while back and they have become so handy. I will leave a link down below. They still haven't gotten their stuff up and running. I think if they get everything that they need, they'll maybe start shipping by August. But these are so handy because they're individually packaged. They're clear gloves. They work on your phone if you need to use your phone, which I don't recommend, but they do work on your phone if you need to use it. And they're also what are they, compostable? Is that what it is? 100% compostable and biodegradable, latex and powder free, one size fits all, individual wrap for convenience. So I have a bag of those for my husband and I. And then one extra thing that I've had in my bag these days is poopy scooper bags and a couple treats. Now these work also well if you don't have a garbage can around and you want to dispose of anything, you can just stick it in there. That's what I had to do a few times. So now I'm going to place everything in my bag just so you can see what it looks like. So here it is. One thing that I had forgot to mention, I switched out my bare mittens to thinner mittens that I keep in my purse, and then also a little ear cover, just because the weather is still, one day is 15, next day is -4 here, so you just don't know what the weather's going to be like. And I have, actually this is my husband's phone. I just wanted to show you what it looks like in here because I'm using my phone to record this. So here it is. I still have room. It's okay. It's not too heavy. So I had added this so that way it's accessible immediately. I have all my other COVID stuff in here. Wipes are here. I've got my treats here, and then I have my sunglasses, the charging there. In there is just my little beauty bag, and I just plop those in. I can clip them to my keys too if need be. Oh, and another thing that'll be in here is my keys. And then my planner, my wallet, my feminine stuff, and then there's the little headphone set. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will try and link up anything that I can find down in my description box. And then, yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love it if you press that subscribe button. Let me know if you like these type of videos. I can share a diaper bag as well, or travel bags and things like that, although I won't be traveling this summer for sure. So Yeah, so thank you for watching, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day.